I think the candy comes out over there.
People drop change down here, Jerry, and they're too lazy to pick it up.
Either that or they've got a weird little hang-up about lying face down in filth. Why don't you just go to the cashier?
The cashier is at lunch, which is where I'd like to be.
How much was under there?
I think something bit me. I just need another nickel.
Hey, Putty thinks I should go for the CD player. What do you think?
Oh, he's got a live one. He's just reeling this big fish in.
Hey, can I have my dollar back?
It's wrinkled. It's worthless. Come on! Jump!
They just put out some more donuts.
They did?
Last one.